Yeah. When we start writing larger software, we start thinking of how we can keep track of our codes, how we can collaborate with people to actually contribute to our codes, how to make sure that if we make changes and the change doesn't work, there's an easy way to revert back to the versions of our code. All these falls under what we call version control. Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that it can record specific versions later. There are numerous amount of version control software that people use on a daily basis, but one of the most popular is a software called Git. Git is a version control system for tracking changes in computer files among multiple people. It is primarily used for source code management in software development, but it can be used to track changes of any set of files, be it Microsoft Word, be it any set of files. Now that we know what version control is all about, we are going to move to another service known as GitHub. GitHub, like you can see on the screen, is actually a website that stores Git repositories on the internet and give you and all people, other people around the world access to Git repositories on the internet. So yeah, you can look at repositories that other people have created and contribute to them. Or you can work on your own project and push them to GitHub so that other people on the internet can also contribute to them. So to download Git, you actually go to your Google search and search for download Git. I think, and the first site is the answer. So that's where you download your Git from, and make sure it's installed. The first thing I want you to do is head over to github.com. So let's put this. Head over to github.com. Then if you already have accounts, this is the first screen you see, and if you don't have any account, then let me open it in the incognito tab for you to see what you are going to see. So you private window and github.com. Okay, sorry about my network there. Okay, so this is the screen you are going to see. All you just need to do is sign up here, or you sign in here. So that's all I think. So this is what the GitHub interface looks like. What we are going to do now is to create a new GitHub repository. So we are going to click on this plus icon at the right top corner of your GitHub interface and click on new repository. In this case, I'm going to give it a name called SCA Java. You already know that. She code Africa Java. There's our track. Probably and create repository. Right now, it's not on my computer yet, but it's actually on the internet. We created an empty repository on the internet. So that's where we'll start to introduce some of the command line interface. So after you might have installed Git, I expect you should have installed it by now. After you might have installed Git, one of the first command you would want to learn is Git clone. Git clone just has a purpose in life, just to let me see if I can find it here. Okay, just to download your repository from the server down into your computer, download the particular repository. So we can see this link here. This is the link we are going to be using to download our repository. So we just go to the command line, send you, then change directory to desktop, then git clone, and copy this. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, we are getting an error that, or even not an error actually. You appear to have cloned an empty repository, which is true. We actually cloned an empty repository, which is this one. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's add some code into the repository. So we are going to use the notepad command, which is okay. Let's first navigate into the repository. SCA Java track and okay. So first thing we're going to do is use the notepad command to create our files, which is notepad sc.java. Here I want to create a new file. I'll just go ahead and create a simple hello world code. Let's open this in our Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor actually to open this guys. Let's open it with our Visual Studio Code. So basically this is the code we are going to keep track on. So we are not actually writing this code to run. So that's not the main aim here. The main aim is to learn the way GitHub works. So the next thing we need to know is git add. Git add command basically means we are going to take some number of files that we've changed and tell Git that these are the files that we want to include the next time we are making a commit. The next time we save a version or a snapshot of the current repository. For instance, if I say git add followed by the file name, so our file name here is sc.java. As you can see, nothing appeared to have happened, but that's okay. I have now added sc.java as a file that I want to track the next time I make a save. That save process is what we call git commit. Commit is just a way of saying take the repository current state and save it. So how that will work is we'd say git commit dash m for message, and so the message is for describing changes I've made in this commit that makes it different from the previous version of code. So we just say my first Java code. Let's just leave it that way and enter. So as you can see, it's telling us one file change 5 insertions because we actually added one file which is only sc.java and 5 insertions. If we should count the number of lines, it's going to be 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we go to the GitHub website, we would notice that nothing actually changed. So that's because we've not uploaded the project to GitHub. So that's where the git push command comes in. So the next thing I'm going to do is to git push. I'm already tired. Let's wait for it. Don't mind my network. My network is kind of bad. So let's go ahead and refresh. So there we go. We have our code already with the message my first Java code, and let's see Java. As you can see, we have our local files already right here on the internet where people can actually fork, start, watch your project and contribute to your project. So this is where we'll be ending the tutorial. Other tutorials will be communicated through WhatsApp. I just wanted to show you the guide, the practical way on how to do this.